Hi real achievers and real ones, welcome back to my channel. So we are going to go over everything for the month of August as we are moving into a new month, and I just want to do a recap of the goals that were set out for August, the weight loss, exercise, whatever that I put out for August. I just want to do a recap. So let's start off with, well, first of all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So glad that you're here on this video. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. So let's start off with the first week of August, since that was really July, so that weight in was 176.3, so that really just captured what was done July. So I'm not factoring in any exercise for that week, but I am factoring in the weight because I weighed in on a Friday, which was the 176.3. So let's talk about over here. I have some core and strength and 80 ounces of water as goals that I want to accomplish for the month of August, so that way I can continue out with building healthy lifestyle habits for while I'm on my health journey. So for the second week of August, I weighed in at 175.7, and as far as workout, I did get in 152 minutes of walk time for that week. And for the week of August the 10th, that was my birthday week, so there was no workout for that. Nope, I didn't do anything for that week. That week was about me and just enjoying life and enjoying where I have come thus far. So I didn't do anything that week but weigh in, because I want to be consistent with keeping up with what I weigh. So I weighed in on that Friday 175.8, and so now we'll look at what was captured for the week of the 17th. So let's see. For the week of the 17th, I did get in 151.58 minutes of walk time, and I weighed in at 172.3. And so as we end the month of August, I did incorporate the core and strength training 2 days for the ending of the week, which was the first of the week was the 25th and the 27th, and I got in 151.02 minutes of walk time. And for that week, I weighed in at 172.1. So if we take all of the days that I did weigh in for the month of August, it's capturing what I lost for that whole month. And so I calculate that to be a total of 5.8 pounds that I did for the month of August. Now, I did get my measurements in. Let me go into my app, because the day of filming this is the last day of the month, and so I want to make sure I got those numbers in, because I don't know when I'm going to do another measurements. So I did my neck, and this may not come out, but it's 15.5. Chest was 40. Oh, it didn't save. Hold on. For some reason it didn't save. Hold on. Well, I'm on the wrong date. Give me a second. I have to say, I know I put this in. Today is the 31st. Okay, had to go into my... Okay, so this is actually 15 for the neck. My chest, 45 inches. And my waist is 41, which that needs to be way less than that. And hips 38.5. And so that is the measurements, weigh-in, goals that I accomplished for the month of August. And so as we are moving into September, I will start doing the road to try to get down to that 32 pounds that I need to lose. If you've been following me, or if you're new, my doctor is wanting to reassess me when I get to 160. However, I have been at 160, and I know that 160 is really not for me. 140 would be the number that I know that would fit me just fine. But with that being said, my goal is to focus from now going forward, trying to focus on losing that 32 pounds so that I can get to that 140, because like I mentioned in one of my videos, my job, we're going with a new healthcare provider. Health, medical insurance, dental, vision insurance. And just from what I saw, without having signed up for the insurance and just going on their website, it shows that the Zepbound is not on their formulary. And that could be just because their formulary is for the 2025. I don't know if they've done an update for 2026. So I'm not confident that, the Zepbound won't be a part of my plan for 2026. But I want to go ahead and start trying to get to that goal weight for me, just because if it's not, then I can just keep maintaining whatever weight I get to by the end of the year with the healthy lifestyle changes that I have made, as far as with my nutrition and exercising, water intake, all of the good stuff that we talk about all the time on a health journey. So that is basically it. I just want to close out the month of August with everything I just talked about. So that's it, you guys. Thank you and goodbye.